Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to start a Kia Sportage. And this will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to start a vehicle like this, which is a Kia Sportage, this is the video for you. I'm going to make it really easy, keep it short and sweet, and just get straight to the point. So basically, you need to have the key with you. That's the first thing, okay? And obviously, you might have a different model year. This is a fairly new Kia Sportage at the time of me filming this. You might have one that's a bit older, but basically the process for starting it is going to be very similar. So you could probably use this as a direct guide or direct tutorial for starting your Kia Sportage, or you can, make any slight modifications or changes that you need to make to allow these instructions to work a little bit better for your specific vehicle. But most of the modern vehicles are going to start in this way, in terms of like most modern vehicles. And the Kia Sportage has used this method for a decent amount of time. So yeah, you could probably use this method. So as you can see, I have the key right here. You're going to need the key with you. So I'm going to just place the key on my lap. I'll turn it this way. I'm going to place the key on my lap just to simulate the key being in my pocket. So the key has to be with you, okay? So I have the key here with me on my lap. I am going to now push down on the brake pedal. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm pushing decently firmly on the brake pedal. You want to make sure you're pressing that brake pedal decently well, okay? And then you're going to find the engine start-stop button. So right over here, as you can see, this right here is the engine start-stop button. So with the key on me, or with the key with me, I should say, and the brake pedal being pressed down, I'm going to press this button over here, and the engine has now started. I have now started the Kia Sportage, okay? Very simple and straightforward. The Kia Sportage has now been started. The engine started. It's running. I started the vehicle. And it's literally that simple. Basically, you got to have the key with you. You got to be pressing down on the brake. And then once you have the key with you and you're pressing down on the brake, you can press the engine start-stop button over there. Very simple and straightforward. It's really easy to do. That's how to start the vehicle. And guess what? If you want to stop the vehicle or turn it off, make sure your vehicle is in park, obviously. And then you just go, once you know that your vehicle is in park and you've parked your car, so you're ready to actually turn the engine off and get out, and you've done all of that kind of stuff, then you literally just have to press this button. So you press this, and now the vehicle turns off. And the vehicle is turned off, okay? This is still on until I open the door, and you can see when I open the door, now all of the dashboard and instrument panel starts to turn off. And it's literally that simple. That is how to start a Kia Sportage, and I also showed you how to stop the Kia Sportage or turn the engine off as well. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.